Welcome to Grumpy Man's Reviews. A quick review for you today of the Airartdeco 16-inch remote control fan. I thought I might as well get a fan earlier on in the year because, as you know, in summer it's hard to get hold of a fan and majority of the times the prices are crazy as well. That's everything included inside the box of the fan. You also get a instruction manual. This does have a timer on it as well. Instruction manual there, it tells you how to put it together. And that's the remote. Do bear in mind the remote does not come with batteries, so you need to purchase some AAA batteries separate. I just thought I'll show you very quickly how to assemble it. That part would go at the bottom of the base and this would go in top, so you put that in first and then you put that in and of course just tighten it. I'm right-handed now, that's why I'm having difficulty here. There you go. Once you've connected the lower pole on to the bottom base, I'll show you there. That Allen key, I thought you'll be able to remove it, but you can't, that stays there. Twist this to loosen it and you'll be exposed to this metal pole. Then you just put the main body on the fan in there. Just, if I can just show you. Just tighten the back bit. So once that's tightened, then you can of course lower the fan or make it go higher, but make sure that's tight. That the fan does have handy little guides on it, so to attach the rear grille on first you need to loosen this cap at the front and then loosen the one at the back. Once you've lined the rear grille with them two things there, just tighten it. It's time for the blade. Once you've placed the blades on, you put the front cap back on, just tighten that. There we go. And now I need to put the front grille on. As you can see, it's got a bit of branding there, Airartdeco. I need a screw to loosen this bit. The screw's not provided, so you'll have to use your own. It's a Phillips screw. Put the front grille on, then just tighten the screw from the bottom. Make sure it's clamped on properly. The fan has a handle at the top. That's to make small adjustments to the head, either up or down. So you can of course use the fan from the main body, or you do have the option of a remote. Straightforward to use. You've got your on off timer, that's to control the speed and the swing, so if you want it to swing left and right. It's got your low mode to high, that goes up in stages, and then on the left side of the fan you've got half an hour, 4 hours, and then if you carry on pushing it, extra time will add on and it will go up to 7.5 hours. When you turn it on you can hear a little sound, which is handy, so you know you're turning it on, and when you turn it off you hear the same sound as well. So if I turn it on, just swing it out. As soon as I pressed the swing button, it stopped exactly at the place I wanted it to stop, because I don't know if many of you have had experience of the white fans. I'm pretty sure many of you have, like I have. And when you want to stop them in one place, you pull a thing at the back and they don't always stop. They carry on going around for a bit and you can't get the exact spot. I don't know if many of you can relate to that or no. Anyway, I hope you can still hear the audio, the fan's not interfering with it too much. So that's on medium, and if I push the speed, no, so that was on low, medium, then high. And it's quite effective, that. So the timer, push that. As you can see there, it's starting to add extra time on, 2 hours. So you've got to go through a cycle to turn the timer off. So it's not like you can just turn it on and off. You have to push a cycle. You've got to keep going until it completely goes off. So if I just swing the fan this way, pause it there, it gave a little sound that it's going off, and it's gone off now. So that you've seen the fan in action. I just wanted to point out the lights, they're not bright. So when you're sleeping at night time, you can still use the fan. It's not like the lights are going to shine bright. I've been using this fan. I've had no complaints with it. I hope you're all well and looking after yourself. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.